Welcome, SofTappers! Today we're going to talk about doing lips by hand.
So, you want to learn how to do lips by hand, right?
You come to the right place.
That's right.
Yeah.
We've been doing lips by hand for over 30 years with SofTap. So we really know how to do lips manually, no machine. Some of the reasons why lips are a little bit more difficult is the skin is very different. The lips are a muscle, the skin is very thin, and the lips are highly vascular.
Right. They can be a little bit more sensitive, they can bleed a little bit more, and because it's a muscle, they reject color.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to lose 50 to 60% of your pigment every time you do lip procedures.
The number one thing that you need to do lips is
your skills.
you need the skills.
Besides the skills, you have to have good pigment.
Mm-hmm.
You have to have needles.
Yep.
You need your anesthetic.
Yes.
And you need some drawing and stretching tools.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to go over all that.
For color, you need really good quality color, which we have. At SofTap, we really covet our natural lip colors, which are great. They make it easy to choose. They're all pre-neutralized with orange already for you, so that way it is easier for you to select pigment for your clients.
Our colors are more on the natural side, so you're not going to get like violent reds and oranges with us. You're going to get something that you probably were born with, something a little bit more like your baby's lips, okay? So think natural when you think SofTap. We've got a beautiful line of colors. Some of our favorites for lips are P16, Valentine, Jamaican Rum. We actually like to use some of our areola colors to mix in if you want to get some custom color, and my favorites for those are Cotton Candy, Diva, and Pigment.
As far as needles go, we have a lot of different needles that we offer. Some of the ones that we really like for lips, though, are the 10 fine. That's great for just lining just the outer edge of the lip. The 18 is great for feathering into the lip. Also the 33, we really like that one as well if you want just a little bit of a wider feather. And then the 52 round is great for blending that color into the body of the lip so you don't have an edge on the lip of color and then the regular lip.
Lips are sensitive, but they actually numb really well. Our blockade cream is our method of choice for numbing lips. It works in under 10 minutes. That's
very fast.
Really fast,
yeah.
And it lasts for about an hour. So you're using that. I like to numb in sections, and once the skin is open, then I use our secondary cream that's called Minerva, and that works on contact on broken skin. Prior to working on your lips, you probably want to exfoliate any dead skin off. It's not really worth your time to be fighting dead skin on the lips, so we recommend a lip scrub for that, and we have that available too if you need it.
Yeah, usually if the lips are in good condition, they're going to accept pigment a lot more easily. Another thing that you need when you're doing lips are your drawing materials. We typically like to do freehand when we do lips,
I think most people like to do that. Just kind of enhance what your client has, just add a little to what's already there.
Yeah.
But if you are struggling with freehand, say you're a beginner, we have lip stencils for you. You can just put them right on, put the pigment on, and then peel it off, and they work great. Lip line.
Yeah, those are really good, actually.
If you're a mapping person, we have mapping string. You can kind of map out the lips where you want to put everything, and we have details on how to do that in our lip class. So without further ado, we're just going to show you how to do it. All right, we're going to start with a lip line, we're going to draw it on, and we're going to get to work. Demo time.
Okay, so we're going to start by mixing up our colors. Here I'm using Peekaboo, Tickle Me Pink, and some Seashell to lighten it up. Now we're going to start tapping it in with a 10. Be very gentle on the lip line. It takes color really well, and if you overdo it, you can get some dark spots. So we're just barely going to kiss the skin with the needle. And you can see that I'm using just the back end of the needle in some places. This helps me to curve it around. You really only need like 2 to 4 taps per spot. Usually I'm precise tapping here. You see how the needle's hitting the exact same spot? This helps you get a really nice sharp line. You can also do a little travel tapping on the line of the lip. That'll give you a lighter and softer line. Voila. The 18 is next. This needle helps to widen the line enough for you to fill it in a little bit better. It's kind of like using a coloring book when you're a kid. It's easier for kids to color in coloring lines that are a little bit thicker rather than lines that are really skinny. So we just want to widen our line a little bit to make it easier to color inside the lines. Here we're tapping about 30 times per spot, and you can precise tap while you're doing that, or you can do what we call a tight travel tap. Next, we're going to blend that out. This is what we call camouflaging your work, okay? The imposter look. You're going to camouflage the work that you just did by blending the color into the natural lip so it looks like it belongs to your client. Looks like they were born with it. And here again, you're going to be precise tapping about 50 to 60 times. And I go back and clean it up a little bit. You can travel tap again in here, like a tight travel tap. In case you have sensitive skin, that's a good thing to do. I tend to use sort of a blend of both. I'll do a precise tap for the first pass, just to make sure I'm dotting all my I's, crossing my T's, and then I'll do a tight travel tap for the second pass. And there you go.
For a little bit greater detail, and if you want to practice along with us, we have a great lip line and feather class. So if you need to learn how to map out the lips, draw things, choose colors, choose your tools, how to tap properly, please check it out on SofTaptraining.com. It's available now. Thank you for watching with us. If you have anything that you'd like to see, any professional tips or tricks or questions about procedures, please drop us a line. Let us know what we can do for you. We'd be happy to do more videos.
Don't forget to hit the bell, like, share, subscribe, and until next time, happy tapping!